Big changes can be made in small steps. If you want the change to last, then you need more than a just-do-it mentality. It needs to be slowly cultivated till it becomes part of you. Then pray hard and ask the Almighty to guide you. If anyone can help, it's the one who made you. We often hear people say the grass is greener on the other side. That's not true. Stop comparing your lawn with someone else's. The truth is it's greener where you water it. It's greener where you nurture it. Focus on the major things in life and you'll see how it will thrive. We live in uncertain times. The world is becoming a more dangerous place. Nothing can be taken for granted. Much of the world seems to be in a state of bewildering confusion. Don't neglect the link with our Maker. That's the only way to keep our sanity during these times. You will learn more from the bad days than the good days because they're designed to toughen you. Provided you learn the life lessons attached to them. Some don't and they get stuck at a certain level because they refuse to or cannot see the whole picture yet. Pray for guidance. Everyone's in search of contentment. It's not easy to keep the peace in your heart. But you must find a way to do it. Plug in with the Almighty. Let Him take over when things are not within your control. You'll see every sunrise holds more promise. Every sunset holds more peace. When you encounter hate in any form, in speech or action, you must immediately denounce it, report it and stop it. It's your duty. It should not be tolerated whether in our everyday lives, on mainstream or social media. Say no to hate. Say no to violence. End the vicious cycle. Some people just cannot communicate in a straightforward manner. They will use sarcasm as a defense mechanism, send mixed signals or act like nothing is wrong. If you cannot help such people, stay away from them. Life's complicated enough without having to second-guess others. You're allowed to disagree with others, state your opinion respectfully but never get physical or violent. This quality makes us distinct from animals. So be civilized, listen to what others are saying but avoid knee-jerk reactions. It would save you from a whole lot of regret. Thinking of death will help you prepare for that meeting with your Creator. It will help you reflect on how you will appear before Him, full of regret and shame or with a deep sense of happiness for having been dutiful. The choice is yours. Don't let this world trick you. Arrogance is being full of yourself. You're always right. You strut around like you know everything. Confidence is humble, quiet and doesn't shout. You're full of useful knowledge and you share it in a manner that doesn't make the other person feel ignorant. Know the difference.